We just got home this morning from spending 2 days in New York. We had a ton of cleaning to do and we wanted something cozy for dinner, so let's make some dinner. The house is in a lot better shape than it was like when we got home. Currently cutting up some carrots because I'm making soup. But I got a snack on some too. So we are making an Italian wedding soup. It's fall, and we just wanted something really cozy, but also like kind of healthy. So I'm gonna start with carrots. Honestly, we are both just so tired. It's 4:35. The baby is so off schedule. She's napping right now. I literally don't even feel like cooking this if I'm being completely honest, but I know I'll thank myself in like 45 minutes. A little update, because a bunch of y'all are asking. Kennedy did not walk down the aisle. I escorted her, and I threw the pedals for her. It was cute though. She did such a good job though. She was such a great sport. She watched Miss Rachel basically the whole day. But she's such a champ. Such a little trooper. Okay. Need a little bit more celery. Dexter's going crazy at my feet because I gave him some carrots. He loves carrots. I've got an onion right here. I mean, any good soup starts out with onions, carrots, and celery. I mean, besides broccoli and cheddar. But you still start out with carrots and onions. Clam chowder too, but with clam chowder you still start out with celery and onion, and then you sub the carrots out for bacon. I mean, pretty much every soup is gonna start with at least 2 of these. But if you got all 3, man, that's gonna be a good soup. That's all I'm saying. I don't know why I cut this onion like this, but whatever. Got my veg, heading to the stove. Forgot to mention, I have like, I don't know, maybe like 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Gonna turn my heat on, I don't know, probably like medium low. Adding in some salt so that our veggies sweat. Okay, I just realized that I'm making Italian wedding soup and we went to a wedding yesterday. Honestly though, I don't think I've ever eaten this soup at a wedding, but like growing up, we would always have it on holidays. I don't know why it's called that. Now that my veggies are cooked down a little bit, I'm gonna add some water and my bouillon cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case you guys were wondering, I am still eating carrots with ranch. I'm probably gonna eat the whole bag. I don't know why, I've just been really craving it lately, and there are worse things. There are worse things that I could be eating. I didn't say the house was perfect, all right? Don't look at it. We're moving on to our meatballs. So, I'm gonna start with the best breadcrumbs. My parents do beef meatballs. I do chicken. Both are really good. I'm gonna start by grating some Romano. Look who's awake from her nap. There she is, hi. Carl's gonna give her morning yogurt because she didn't get to have it the past 2 mornings because again, we were at a hotel. I've got my breadcrumbs and my grated cheese. Now I'm gonna add in my ground chicken. Realistically, you'd wanna add in an egg too, but I'm just being lazy and I don't feel like going back to get one, even though they're literally like 3 feet away. I mixed my meat and then I shaped them into little meatballs and added them right into my soup. And now I also have a little saucepan too next to it with just water to boil because we gotta make our pasta. Okay, I added in 1 more bouillon cube and some black pepper into my soup. So I know I cook these separate, and normally I would just serve this with like, I put a scoop of the tortellini and then the soup, but this is already at a rolling boil, and I didn't add enough water in there, and realistically, we're probably gonna eat all this. We're really not gonna end up storing any of this, so I'm just throwing in the partially cooked tortellini into my soup. Now, I sent Carl to the grocery store, and I forgot to tell him to get spinach, so we're rolling without spinach. realistically serve this with a little bit more Romano on top. And now we look for a movie. If y'all have any good movie recommendations, let us know. We love comedies, and then I like action. Do you like action movies? He likes action movies too. Dexter is so happy we're home. All right, we're gonna eat this, and I don't know, for dessert, maybe I'll end up making like brownies or cake later. I'll let you guys know. I'm really in the mood for that triple chocolate cake that I was telling you guys about like last week. It's so good. I need to make more. I just love chocolate cake. I'm going through a phase. I will see you guys in a bit, hopefully, for dessert. Bye.